Have a bare wall in your garden? Don't let it go to waste. Whether you're retired and rediscovering your love for gardening, or just looking for low-maintenance beauty, today we're exploring 10 easy-care perennial flowers that love to grow against your garden walls. These plants aren't just survivors, they're showstoppers. Let's transform those plain walls into blooming masterpieces. There's nothing quite as timeless as a climbing rose. These beauties grow upward, wrapping around trellises or walls with minimal effort. Once they're settled in, they bloom year after year with stunning colors and that classic rose scent we all adore. The great thing is, they're surprisingly hardy. Most climbing roses thrive in USDA zones 4 to 9, and many are disease-resistant these days. Just give them a good start, a little pruning, and they'll reward you for years to come. Position them near a sunny wall and let them climb. Your garden will feel like a romantic countryside escape. Clematis is often called the queen of climbers, and for good reason. Its star-shaped flowers come in a rainbow of colors, and it loves to climb walls, fences, and trellises. Perfect for zones 4 to 9, Clematis thrives with morning sun and some afternoon shade. The best part? It doesn't demand much from you. A little support and some mulch at its base, and it's happy. This plant adds height, texture, and a touch of elegance. Plus, watching it grow a little more each year feels like welcoming back an old friend. If you love sweet fragrances and attracting hummingbirds, Honeysuckle is your new best friend. It's a wall-hugging perennial that blooms from late spring to early fall. In USDA zones 5 to 9, it's tough, resilient, and grows fast, making it ideal for filling a bare space quickly. Once established, it can climb or cascade beautifully with little help. Let its soft yellow or coral blooms wrap your garden in scent and charm. It's one of those plants that makes the whole yard feel more alive. Trumpet Vine brings a splash of bold orange-red flowers that hummingbirds can't resist. It's a vigorous grower, great for quickly covering large wall spaces. Thriving in zones 4 to 9, this vine loves full sun and practically grows itself. Just make sure you give it something strong to climb on. This plant means business. While it needs occasional pruning to keep it in check, Trumpet Vine rewards you with vibrant, trumpet-shaped blooms that are nothing short of spectacular. If you live in a warmer area, Bougainvillea is a dream come true. Its paper-like flowers in pinks, purples, or oranges brighten any wall effortlessly. Despite looking delicate, Bougainvillea is tough. It loves sun, doesn't need much water, and thrives in poor soil. It's practically made for retirees who want color without fuss. Let it cascade over a stucco wall or wooden fence. It turns any dull corner into a tropical paradise. Lavender may not climb, but it thrives along sunny garden walls and fills the air with a calming fragrance. It's perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere. Best for zones 5 to 9, lavender loves well-drained soil and full sun. It also deters pests and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Its silvery green foliage and purple blooms provide color and texture all year round. Plus, you can cut the flowers to dry and bring indoors. This North American native is a more tame version of the honeysuckle, and it's non-invasive. Coral honeysuckle grows beautifully against walls, offering trumpet-like red flowers that pop. It thrives in zones 4 to 10 and is both drought-tolerant and pest-resistant. A perfect low-maintenance choice that offers high reward. The blooms invite hummingbirds and butterflies and provide a natural splash of vivid red right where your garden needs it most. If you're in zones 7 to 10 and love fragrance, Jasmine is a must-have. It climbs gracefully up trellises or fences with delicate white blooms. Jasmine needs a sunny spot, regular watering at the start, and a little support as it climbs. But once it gets going, it becomes a garden favorite in no time. This plant evokes memories of summer evenings and warm breezes. Perfect for those quiet moments in the garden. Not all hydrangeas are bushy. Climbing varieties are made to grow on walls and provide a lush, leafy backdrop with big, creamy white blooms. Ideal for zones 5 to 9, climbing hydrangeas grow slowly at first, but then become strong and reliable bloomers. They're shade-tolerant too, great for walls that don't get full sun. They give your wall a cottage garden look and require minimal pruning once established. Just let them be and enjoy the blooms. Despite the name, wallflowers don't get shy in the garden. These cheerful, compact perennials thrive near warm, sheltered walls and bloom for months. Perfect for zones 6 to 10, they love full sun and dry soil. They're also great for adding long-lasting color in yellow, purple, or pink shades. Wallflowers are ideal for gardeners who want something bright, reliable, and easygoing. They may be small, but their charm lasts a long time. There you have it, 10 stunning, easy-care flowering perennials that love growing near garden walls. Whether you're planning a peaceful retreat or simply want less maintenance and more color, these plants offer a perfect mix of beauty and simplicity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow garden lovers. Your garden wall could be just one plant away from being your favorite view. Happy planting!